Hello guys, today is spring and it's the perfect time to bloom your website. So hello, my name is Lee. Today we're going to start blooming your website and that means we are going to start making your website really good. So earlier in the last two parts, we did not actually do a website. We were doing examples and start like scooping out the memories and stuff. So today we're gonna actually start doing it. So let's go to applications. What do I have over here? Where's my exam? I have Genie. Oh, there you go. It's like that. Okay. Now going HD HD docs, and now we just gotta make a actual website. So I'm just gonna make a new folder, or forget about it. Let's just duplicate this application. Now we have this. Now we gotta change the name to whatever you want. So let's say, give it a good name. Let's just do example web. So we gotta go in. No, not this kind. So we gotta open with Genie. And now, we gotta delete all of this by doing Command or Control A. There you go. We gotta save that. Now let's start making our website. So every website you gotta start with doc type, HTML. Okay. And then, wait. Yeah, I think that's how you do it. Now let's do the HTML tag. And there, gotta do the body. Head. Head is where you put all the JavaScript and CSS. That I think we did not learn the CSS yet, so let's add some CSS later. But now you gotta think what your website wants. So what if your website is about activities? So you could do JavaScript, or we don't need JavaScript. Actually, over here we just need a title. So, oops, I keep forgetting the tag. I haven't did HTML in a while. Okay, title. And title, or title could be, let's say, fun games, and / title. Okay, so now let's go to the body and start making our actual paragraphs. So we haven't learned the A, right? So the A is how you make a hyperlink, and I'm gonna teach you right now how to use it. So we gotta use the A tag. Got that. Over here we need to use something called href, which is the URL. For example, a fun game will be, let's say, we have a lot of fun games over here. So home, fun games. Oh, soccer, nice. Let's just do imposter. This one is kind of good. We gotta actually do this one. And gotta copy that code. So if you don't have this Chrome new tab, just go to the extensions and search up. Let's see, what is it called? Where's my new tab? Was just a new tab. Okay, so we just search up ChatGPT new tab in the Chrome Web Store thingy. So now we just got to. Oh, that's a lot. Now we could put our hyperlink name. So let's say imposter because that's the name of the game. And let's let's save that and run it. So this one I did not use a folder, so we don't need to use the one. Let's see, it's xweb.html. Oops, it might do this. Now you have to open your manager. So it's called manager a dash OSX or OXS. When you press enter so like this, manager COSX, press enter, and then it will show ask your password. You gotta type your password, and then it will open this thing. Go to manage servers. We don't have server in events. Now we gotta do start all. This way everybody can go in. It's so secret that you need to type your password because if someone stops the server, nobody could enter. For example, if someone start YouTube, how would you even watch stop to YouTube? How would you even watch YouTube? How sad is that? So that's why we gotta start these. Let's try to reload that. And now it works. Got the imposter thingy right there, and if you open it, we got the page loading. It's loading kind of slow. So I wanna it's kind of too small, and that's when we have to use CSS. So we gotta go to one compiler and not the F#, totally not the F#. We gotta go to HTML. This is a different kind of, these are all HTMLs actually, just kind of like different styles. Go to your CSS. This one right there. Copy it. That one means just put it in the middle because the padding is where it's supposed to be, and it's 25 pixels, so it's really good. Now we gotta use the head now. So put it before the title, I guess. And we gotta do, instead of CSS, we gotta type style. Not styles, style. And then we gotta copy that and paste it. Nope, not like that. Totally not like that. Wait, what? That. What? What am I doing? Okay, so just remember that, and we gotta actually type it. What the? Okay, so body, or we do dot body, and then we gotta do it to. Oh, where's the brackets? Okay, curly brackets. Huh? Oh yeah, this one doesn't really work well. So this is how they type it. I don't really use CSS that much, so I might get it wrong. And guys, just don't blame me. It's not my fault because I don't really do it that much. So now let's do the padding. How do you even spell it? Okay, there you go. Do 25. I don't think this will work. This doesn't look well. So this is how they typed it. Yep, now we gotta press enter again. Now, wait, they did not use the space and we need a semicolon at the end. That's a lot of errors for me. Sorry, guys. Okay, now this is a class. If you put the dot right there, so we gotta go to the body and type class. It goes and put your body, put your name, body. Then let's try that. So let's run it. What? Oops, not this one. Sorry, guys. Okay, local. What is happening to my computer? Localhost /xweb. Here. Now it's kind of to the middle, and that's super good. It's kind of to the middle. Now we got to have a heading. Heading. Yeah. Headings are annoying, but I like it a lot. So let's just put a H1. H1. Fun games. Fun game. Okay. So we could do something called onClick. OnClick is gonna be, say, let's just, if it's onClick, we gotta do a function now. So that's when we have to use the HTML. The script. See, script. So now we gotta press enter and then go back and oh, that's a lot of steps. Now, script. We gotta type function. Function name. Say open game. Let's just do open game menu. Okay, and then you don't need a parameter. Now let's type our code. So we gotta do open dot window or window. Yeah, it's window dot open. Sorry, window dot open. We need some parameters over here, and that's when we have to do the website name. Then comma, gotta do blank. Oops, I forgot the parentheses blank. Underscore blank. This one is the same tab. So let's see if there's any more options. I don't really remember that much. So let's just do blank. The blank is when you open a new tab, I guess, or just use that tab to make it. So that's oh, what is wrong with my throat? Okay, now we gotta put the URL. So we got the new tab. Oh, we can't open the game menu. So we gotta. Oh, now I did. Now I see. So now we got to just choose a game. I don't care. Pool Club. Link it. Copy code. Now we gotta paste the thingy over here. It should work right now, but we are not done yet. On the onClick place, we gotta put the function name OGM, and then let's run it. Oh, what is happening? Load on games. Let's say click. Oopsies. Yep, that's how it works. Gotta click it. It opens a new tab, so that's why it's called blank, I guess. Now we could start showing some of the websites I made. It's you could first go to, oh, that's what I typed. That's a lot of code. Now let's just go to over here. This is my main one. So I have a lot of comments, and that's how you make a comment in CSS. So this is all the CSS I type. Oh, where is it? Okay, I think I typed too much that my brain hurts. Okay, where's the CSS thingy? Oh, here's the script. So that's the CSS, the script. Oh, that's the start of the script. Okay. We got a for loop over there. We're gonna learn for loops. Oh, that's the style. So this is all the functions I made. We got a for loop over here that I don't really use a lot, but in this case I have to use it. We have a lot of JavaScript comments. More JavaScript. Down here, we got the button. We're gonna learn the button, or I think we already did learn it in our previous videos. We gotta use the class. Oh, I don't think we actually learned the class, but we did the onClick thingy. So these are all the tabs. Yeah, tab container. And we got a lot more over here. So, and we got just like, so if I run it, this is what will happen. Liam. Yeah, exactly that one. See, so this is my main page, but these are all the other tabs I want. So if I press this, go home, yeah, it will just introduce it, which is not that much words. I will add more. Over here, we got the name changer. And let's say password, you can't see it. Let's just do that. Change name. Name changer change. Password changer change. And this is pretty much it. We got some about us. You could type your name. And then over here, we got some fun stuff. I like the table tennis, so. And I'm just gonna show you how to play it. Does it even work? It doesn't really work like that in an instant, but that's basically my first website, or maybe not my first website. I edited it a lot, so in the future we are gonna learn more. Bye.